Let's be honest for a moment. When you hear the word glow up, you probably think about appearance, new clothes, better routines, a fresh start. But the real glow up, it doesn't start in the mirror, it starts in the way you think, in the habits you repeat when no one's watching, and the lifestyle you quietly build day after day. Because here's the truth most people won't tell you. If your mind stays the same, every New Year version of you will eventually fade. So this video isn't about overnight transformation, it's about building a glow up that lasts mentally, emotionally, and practically all the way through 2026 and beyond. Think of this as a blueprint, not pressure, not perfection, just clear direction. Let's begin. Now let's start with the mindset glow up, the foundation of everything. Stop trying to become someone else. A lot of people fail their glow up because they're chasing an identity that isn't theirs. They copy routines, aesthetics, lifestyles, but feel empty doing it. The real glow up begins when you stop asking, who should I become, and start asking, how do I become more me? Aligned growth lasts longer than forced transformation. 2026 isn't about becoming unrecognizable, it's about becoming undeniable. Shift from motivation to self-trust. Motivation is unreliable. Some days it shows up, but most days it doesn't. Self-trust is what carries you through. That voice that says, I'll do it even when I don't feel like it, I'll keep promises to myself. Glow-ups don't come from hype, they come from consistency. This year, stop chasing motivation, build trust with yourself instead. Stop romanticizing burnout. Grinding non-stop isn't discipline, it's disconnection. If your glow-up plan requires constant exhaustion, it won't last. A healthy glow-up feels sustainable, calm, balanced. In 2026, success should look like having energy left at the end of the day, not just achievements on paper. Replace self-criticism with self-leadership. There's a difference between holding yourself accountable and tearing yourself down. You don't need more pressure, you just need better guidance from yourself. Instead of asking what's wrong with me, ask what do I need right now. Self-leadership creates growth, but self-hate creates stagnation. Now let's talk about habits that actually create a glow-up. Morning habits that ground you, not overwhelm you. You don't need a 10-step morning routine, you need 1 or 2 habits that signal intention. Something simple like drinking water mindfully, stretching for 5 minutes, sitting quietly before checking your phone. Glow-ups aren't dramatic, they're quiet and repeatable. Master the habit of showing up daily. Not perfectly, not impressively, just daily. The habit that changes everything is showing up on ordinary days. The days with no motivation, no excitement, no visible progress. That's where real confidence is built. Replace dopamine loops with deliberate actions. Scrolling, snacking, avoiding discomfort. Instant pleasure steals long-term glow. You don't have to eliminate enjoyment, just become intentional with it. Ask yourself, is this helping the version of me I'm building? Small decisions compound faster than you think. Create evening habits that close the day properly. Most people end their day overstimulated and exhausted. Your glow-up accelerates when your nights support your mornings. Try a screen-free wind down, journaling one thought, preparing for tomorrow. Your future self benefits from tonight's choices. Now let's talk about lifestyle upgrades that change everything. Design your environment for growth. Discipline is easier when your environment supports it. Clean space, less clutter, visual calm. Your surroundings shape your habits more than willpower ever will. Your glow-up should be visible in the space you live in. Be intentional with who and what you consume. Conversations, content, energy. Everything you consume either drains you or feeds you. You don't have to cut everyone off, just become selective. Glow-ups happen faster when your inputs improve. Upgrade how you speak and move through life. Confidence isn't loud, it's grounded. How you walk, how you pose before speaking, how you listen. Slow down, be patient. A calm presence is powerful. Take care of your body without obsession. Movement, rest, hydration. Your body isn't something to control, it's something to support. A glow-up isn't about punishment, it's about respect. And finally, let's talk about mental and emotional upgrade. Learn to sit with discomfort. Growth feels uncomfortable because it's unfamiliar. Instead of escaping it, learn to sit with it. Discomfort is often a sign you're expanding, not failing. Detach from outcomes, commit to process. If you obsess over results, you'll burn out. Focus on systems, focus on effort. Results arrive when you stop chasing them and start aligning your actions. Become someone who finishes. Starting is easy, finishing builds identity. Complete what you begin even if it's imperfect. Finished beats flawless every single time. So, your 2026 glow-up doesn't need to be dramatic. It needs to be intentional. A stronger mindset, gentle but consistent habits, a lifestyle that supports, not drains you. This isn't about becoming someone else, it's about becoming stable, clear, aligned. And remember, a real glow-up isn't announced, it's noticed. Quietly, over time. Start now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.